A client from South Africa flew all the way to a factory with his own engineer. They inspected every single machine, the dryer machine, electrical control box for the equipment, and the rotary scrubber trommel. The feeder hopper with belt conveyor. Then, they brought the heavy mineral samples to test on our equipment. We used our 5 rollers magnetic separator to testing it, and checked the results under a microscope. The client shared detailed information about their mine, capacity, mineral characteristics, and challenges. Their engineer and their technical team sat together to work out the optimal beneficiation solution, step by step. We don't just sell machines, we build solutions with you.